In order to create the most premium Galaxy flagship at this point, Samsung is really doing what Apple will do with the iPhone 15 Pro series, and I'm enthusiastic about it. The side frame of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will likely be made of titanium, as you probably have predicted. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is developing an armored titanium frame exclusively for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will make the gadget lighter, more robust, and unquestionably more premium. The titanium frame of the 15 Pro and Pro Max has been fully installed by Apple, as far as we are aware. It's really a major factor in why the 15 Pro series is more costly than the one from the previous year. The S24 Ultra with titanium may end up costing more than the S23 Ultra, based on this. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will now have access to Samsung's ultra-exclusive functionality. I'm referring to the LTPO screen that is now being added to the S24 and S24 Plus models. With the LTPO screen, the refresh rate can now be reduced to 1 Hz, which will undoubtedly enhance the overall battery experience for these non-Ultra Galaxy S24 devices. The next level, which I said at the beginning of the film, is already in place since Samsung is really significantly improving the zoom capabilities of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, this is likely to be Samsung's largest zoom upgrade, increasing the zoom range from 3x to 10x since it was originally introduced on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Especially in light of how well the S23 Ultra handles zoom, just consider the amount of performance that Samsung will provide with the Galaxy S24 Ultra Zoom. We don't know how Samsung is achieving it. It might be a continuous zoom that ranges from 3x to 10x, or it could be a 3x to 5x continuous zoom that is also supported by a hybrid optical 10x lens. We actually don't know the precise secrets of this place, but time will reveal them all eventually. So that's the most recent information. According to rumors, the S24 Ultra will be the first to get Samsung's next premium update. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.